Did you know that a vegan diet can actually provide you with all the essential nutrients your body needs without any supplementation? That's right. You can actually get everything your body craves for optimal health and vitality just from plants. And in this video, we'll unveil 8 awesome hacks to optimize your nutrient intake naturally and help you unlock the full potential of your plant-based diet. Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Being vegan has a lot of health benefits for your body, mind, and spirit. But in order to fully take advantage of it, you need to know how to get the most nutrients out of the food you eat daily. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you 8 hacks that will help you make the most of your vegan nutrition. From macronutrients to micronutrients, we'll guide you through practical tips to ensure you're getting all the essential nutrients your body needs. So let's dive in and unlock the secrets of a proper vegan diet. Hack number 1. Variety is the spice of life. Our first hack is all about embracing the power of variety in your vegan diet, including a diverse range of fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds ensures that you are providing your body with a wide array of nutrients and flavors. Each food group offers unique vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to your overall health and well-being. By incorporating variety into your meals, you can keep your taste buds excited and your body nourished. Hack number 2. Eat the rainbow. Continuing with our focus on vibrant nutrition, let's talk about eating the rainbow. The colorful hues of fruits and vegetables not only make your plate visually appealing, but also indicate a diverse range of nutrients. Each color represents different phytochemicals and antioxidants that support various aspects of your health. So aim to include a colorful assortment of produce in your meals, ranging from leafy greens to red and purple berries, orange carrots, and yellow peppers. By eating the rainbow, you'll be providing your body with a wide spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds. Hack number 3. Power of plant-based protein. Protein is an essential nutrient for vegans, and our third hack is all about harnessing the power of plant-based protein sources. Contrary to the myth that vegans struggle to meet their protein needs, there are numerous options available. Incorporate a variety of plant-based protein sources, such as beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, seitan, and plant-based protein powders into your meals. By combining different protein sources throughout the day, you can ensure that you're getting a complete range of essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth, repair, and overall health. Hack number 4. Supercharge with superfoods. Now let's talk about superfoods, nature's nutrient powerhouses. Superfoods are packed with an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that provide an extra boost to your vegan diet. Incorporate superfoods like spirulina, chia seeds, hemp seeds, acai berries, goji berries, and maca powder into your smoothies, salads, or homemade energy bars. Not only do they offer incredible nutrition, but they also add delicious flavors and textures to your meals. By incorporating these superfoods, you'll elevate your nutrient intake and enjoy the benefits they bring to your overall well-being. Hack number 5. Fortify with nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is a vegan's secret weapon. Not only does it add a delicious cheesy and nutty flavor to your dishes, but it also provides an excellent source of B vitamins, fortified with essential nutrients, including vitamin B12. Nutritional yeast serves as a convenient way to meet your nutritional needs. Sprinkle it over pasta, popcorn, or roasted vegetables for added nutrition and a delightful savory kick. By incorporating nutritional yeast into your meals, you're fortifying your diet with essential B vitamins that are often of concern in a vegan lifestyle. Hack number 6. Sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in bone health and immune function. While sunlight is an excellent natural source of vitamin D, it can be challenging to obtain enough solely through sunlight alone, especially depending on your location or lifestyle. That's why it's important for vegans to consider alternative sources. Fortified plant-based milks and cereals, as well as vitamin D supplements, can help meet your vitamin D needs. So make sure to soak up the sun whenever possible and supplement when needed to maintain optimal vitamin D levels. Hack number 7. Smart supplementation. While a well-planned vegan diet can provide most of the nutrients your body needs, there are a few key nutrients that may require extra attention. That's where smart supplementation comes in. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if you require supplements for nutrients like vitamin B12, omega-3 fatty acids, or vitamin D. They can guide you in choosing reliable and vegan-friendly supplements that complement your dietary choices. By incorporating smart supplementation, you can ensure that you're covering all your nutritional bases and maintaining optimal health. Hack number 8. Enhance iron absorption. Iron is a vital nutrient for vegans, and our 8th hack focuses on enhancing its absorption from plant-based sources. While plant-based iron is plentiful, it's important to optimize its absorption. One effective way to do this is by pairing iron-rich foods with vitamin C-rich foods. For example, squeezing lemon juice over your iron-rich spinach salad or enjoying a glass of orange juice with your iron-fortified breakfast cereal can significantly increase iron absorption. This simple hack ensures that your body can utilize the iron from plant-based sources efficiently. However, when it comes to identifying iron-rich foods, it's essential to separate fact from fiction. Contrary to popular belief, spinach is not the ultimate iron powerhouse. It's time to uncover the truth. Make sure you check out this next video, where we unveil the top 10 iron-rich foods specifically tailored for vegans. You won't want to miss this valuable resource. Click the video on the screen, and I'll see you there. Go ahead, click it now.